Would your company like to improve the customer experience and loyalty of its customers, increasing sales using only one app? PowerNBA is the BI solution which suggests the next best action to follow. Analyzing the history of sales data, grouping customers in clusters, and showing the best products to offer each one of them according to their preferences. 1. Understand and anticipate customer needs and behavior. 2. Proactively propose offers based on their preferences. 3. Help your salespeople to provide the best customer responses in seconds. 4. Develop targeted and data-driven promotional campaigns. The analytical engine of PowerNBA applies advanced statistical algorithms such as scoring, best match, and decision model. At a glance, the intuitive interface, filterable through barcode scanning in the mobile version, provides a display of products to offer to your customers. PowerNBA, predicting your customer behavior.